So, just starting off, we are doing a mini-series on mistakes and how you recover from them. And just starting off, I've already made mistakes quite a few times, but honestly the atmosphere here is so positive and it's really pushing me to go out of my comfort zone. I'm not good at speaking up for myself, I'm not great at communicating when something's wrong, and that just leads to resentment or like built up pressure. So I'm learning a lot here every single day about how to communicate my needs and follow through. And I'm so thankful for the people I work with. Yeah, I love it. So
I got one question for you.
Yeah.
So what is something that you've learned about the word or how we use the word failure?
Okay, yeah. So the way we use the word failure, it typically has a negative connotation in society, but here it's almost celebrated just because it gives us an opportunity to take a step back, look at what we've done and what we're doing, and reevaluate where we're going in the future. Whether that be to do the same thing over again because we had the right process, maybe there was just a glitch in the system, or totally reevaluate. Like my big project I'm working on now was a total bust, so now we're going back to the drawing board. And in the scheme or in the vision I had, it was a total bust. But now we're back to the drawing board. We have a new plan. I'm super excited to get it going. So yeah, just basically here, failure is celebrated to an extent, and it's a really great opportunity to learn and grow. So yeah, I love working here. I'm excited for you guys to see me in more videos. I don't like the camera, but it's fine. Go Concrete! Be Gospel!